mCloud provides full API access. This API allows you to programmatically create, remove, and scale up and scale down resources within mCloud. It also allows you to use CLI tools, which gives you more configuration options than are available through mCloud portal. While your standard user account will not be able to access this API, you can reach out to Micron21 to gain access. On this page, you can download the mCloud RC file, which will provide you the utilities to connect to mCloud via the API or the command line client. I'll just download the file now and open it with text editor. And this is an example of what the file will look like for your project. This API will help you interface your systems or CI/CD toolchains with your mCloud project. If you require more information, please see the details on the screen below.